What is Miralax?
Hello, viewers. Today, we'll be diving deep into the topic of Miralax, a common over-the-counter medication. You might have come across this name in your local drugstore or in conversations about digestion. We'll be exploring what exactly Miralax is, what it's used for, and how it works.
What is Miralax?
Miralax is a brand name for the drug polyethylene glycol 3350, or PEG 3350. It is an over-the-counter medication, which means it's available without a prescription. Its primary use is to treat occasional constipation, a condition that many people experience from time to time.
How does Miralax work?
Miralax is classified as an osmotic-type laxative. This means that it works by holding water in the stool to soften it, making bowel movements easier. Its active ingredient, PEG 3350, is a type of compound that has the ability to retain water, and when taken orally, it increases the amount of water in the digestive tract.
When and how to use Miralax?
Miralax is typically used to treat occasional bouts of constipation, rather than as a daily remedy. It's often used when lifestyle adjustments, such as increased fiber and fluid intake, aren't sufficient to regulate bowel movements. The medication is usually taken once a day. It comes as a powder that you mix into a glass of water, juice, soda, coffee, or tea. Make sure to follow the dosing instructions on the package, or the ones provided by your healthcare provider.
What are the potential side effects?
Like any medication, Miralax has potential side effects. The most common ones include bloating, gas, upset stomach, or increased thirst. If these side effects persist or become bothersome, it's important to seek medical attention. Remember, although Miralax is available over the counter, it's still a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before beginning any new medication regimen. And that wraps up our discussion on Miralax. Understanding our medications and how they work is an important part of managing our health. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of Miralax, its function, and its role in managing constipation. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider for any health concerns. Thanks for watching.